How to add music to Instagram post from laptop. If you are using web Instagram and you want to add your music in your post, then this video is for you. To do so, first of all, open any browser you have in your device and on the searching bar, search for Instagram and make sure that you have logged into it. Now from here, hit on the create option which is on the left corner. From here, first of all, select any photo. Now hit on the next. From here you can choose any filter you want in your photo. Now again hit on the next. Here you can tag people, but there is no any option to really add the music because Instagram web does not have a feature to add music to your post. You have to use mobile phone to do so. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.